Guys, umuntu lo akadingi ukuthi ngimbike. Uyamuza emkhathweni ekseni, uyamuzwa ngomgcibelo entambama, uyambona kuSkim sami, uyamuzwa bosemsamo limphose emnyango, uyamazi nalapha kuTakalani sesami. Konje umusho hle kanjani? Aha. Uyambamba le? Okay, Kestese sinembuzo njani imbala for
Sure. Ready?
Esifuna ukubuza yona ba?
Okay.
Ufuna ukuthi repeat after mina ne? 1 2 3 What comes after 4?
5.
Okay, can you repeat after me?
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 What comes after 4?
5.
Ouching. Can you repeat after me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plane esuka eJoburg iya eCape Town ithatha 1 hour 30 minutes. Why does the same plane take only 90 minutes when it flies from Cape Town back to Johannesburg?
Yeah. When it goes to Cape Town, it takes 1 hour 30 minutes.
Yes.
And then when it comes back, from where?
From the same road. It takes 90 minutes.
Maybe it does not want to fly over the city, or maybe there's turbulence. Air traffic control. These people always control the place when to go and not going to go.
Don't lie. You see, don't lie on the public platform.
Yeah. And what is the most dominant gas in the air that we breathe?
Helium! Is it helium gas? Is it helium gas? I hope it is helium gas. Gatema wana ngi helium gas.
And what will freeze faster between hot water and cold water?
Cold water. It's already cold. So why would cold water?
What do you call a female cat?
Cat woman.
How many bones are there in the adult human body?
200.
200.
209.
What is the most spoken language in Africa?
Kasongo umani wanga. Kiswahili umani wanga. Kiswahili.
Kasongo Mombali nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Kasongo Kasongo mbona wewe. Mombali nanga.
What is the capital city of Zambia?
So, Livingstone. You? Jesus. I don't know. Ukuthi ngibani ozayipronounce kuhle kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi Livingston or Livingstone. If I'm in America, I'd say it's Livingston, but I'm in America. I'm in Africa.
Hold on.
It's Livingstone. Illegal Pilau.
Wow. Back to Limpopo.
And what do you call a person from India?
Now, you know what? Now all the things you're asking are too much. I don't know where you get that, but I'm Indian.
And what do you call a person from China?
Chinese.
A person from Denmark?
Danish.
And a person from Madagascar?
It's not muddy, it's not donkey. It's not the penguins. But the penguins were talking with Madagascar. Madagascanese. Madagascanese. Chinese. Madagascanese. Yeah? Madagascanese.
What is the biggest ocean in the world?
Yes, guys. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean.
Yeah, Jesus, God me, help me.
How many senses does a human being have?
4 senses.
4 senses.
4. Not 4 senses. 4 senses. 4.
Ah, wabafana man.
And what is the only bird that can swim but cannot fly?
Can swim, but cannot fly. It's the penguin from Madagascar. It's the penguin from Madagascar.
They've now learned.
Yeah.
How many countries are in Africa?
54 countries.
And what is the name of the doctor who performed the first ever successful heart transplant in the world?
Oh, come on, I know this. It happened at Grooteskier Hospital in Cape Town. It was Dr. Christian Barnard.
Easy.
Kwaze kwamnandi, South Africa. Yo, kwaze kwamnandi, South Africa. Loputinyo.
A few moments later.
And what is the plural of ox?
Ox. Oxen chair. Ox. Just ox. The oxes? Does it? Ox.
How many sides does a rectangle have?
Rectangle. 4.
The lion is back. This is the return of the tiger. I am back in Kawempe.
And how many minutes are there in a quarter of an hour?
In a quarter of an hour, minutes, 45 minutes? 25.
I can't believe this.
How many eggs makes up a dozen?
6. 6 eggs.
What do you call a group of lions?
Have pride. Have pride. Have pride. Please take pride in yourself. Yeah. Ungavumi ngawo.
Group of birds?
Flock.
Group of hyenas?
No. A school of hyenas.
What do you call an animal that can survive both on land and in water?
Crocodile.
Hi, boo. What is an ambulance?
It's an emergency car. It's a hospital on the move. It's a clinic on the move. Yeah, it's an emergency car.
Yeah. And can you make the sound, please?
Woo! Woo!
Can you say silk 3 times?
Silk, silk, silk.
Filk,
Filk, filk, filk.
ilk,
Ilk, ilk, ilk.
and what do cows drink?
Milk, milk, milk.
And can you spell the word hippopotamus?
It's HIOPPOTTOMUS. TOMUS.
What According to the Bible, Noah took 2 of each animal on the ark, but how many people did he take with him?
2 people. Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve. A rat with a rat, a lion with a lion, and Adam with Eve.
And what is 99,000 plus 1?
99,000 plus 1. 99,000 plus 1. So that's, I mean, it's 100,000. You only need like 1. It's 100,000. Simple basic math. Come on. Give me.
How long did John the Baptist stay in the whale's stomach?
I think he stayed 7 days.
Listen properly.
John the Baptist.
7 days. Elanga lesikhomba uzimonki. It was here. Because everything in the Bible is 7 days.
Did you go to school?
Who was swallowed by the whale in the Bible?
Jonah.
And how long did John the Baptist stay in the whale's stomach?
John the Baptist stayed in the whale's stomach for 7 days. Seven. Everything is 7. We've got 7 days. Everything is 7 in the Bible.
Sensational.
Sifumane usemkhanyweni wobumnandi ilwazi ifundo zemidlalo nendaba Ikwekwezi FM kukhanya ba